What if I told you that spending just 15 minutes a month on your car could save you from a $3,000 engine repair? According to automotive industry studies, neglected maintenance is responsible for nearly 1 in 3 major vehicle breakdowns. Here's the shocker. Most of these problems could have been prevented with a simple monthly inspection. In this video, I will walk you through 9 monthly maintenance tips that professional mechanics use to keep engines running smoothly for decades. Stick around until the end because the final tip takes less than 2 minutes and could save you thousands in repair costs. Let's get started.
Tip number 9, check engine oil level and condition.
Engine oil is often called the blood of your engine, and for good reason. Modern engines operate at extremely high temperatures where internal components can exceed 200 degrees Celsius during normal driving conditions. Without proper lubrication, metal-on-metal friction increases wear dramatically. Studies show that low or degraded oil is responsible for nearly 40% of engine wear over time. Always check oil on a cold engine and on level ground for accuracy. The dipstick reading should be between minimum and maximum markers. Beyond the level itself, place a small drop of oil on a white paper towel and inspect its color, consistency, and smell. Healthy oil should appear smooth and amber to dark brown, while gritty oil, a burnt smell, or a gasoline odor can indicate fuel dilution, overheating, or excessive engine wear. This 2-minute inspection can literally decide whether your engine lasts 150,000 miles or 300,000 miles. Tip number 8, tire pressure. One of the most critical monthly checks is tire pressure because even a 10% drop in pressure can reduce fuel efficiency by up to 5%. That may sound small, but over a year it can cost you significant fuel expenses. Underinflated tires also generate excessive heat, and studies show they increase the risk of tire blowouts by nearly 20% at highway speeds. That's why you use a digital gauge and compare the tire pressure reading with the manufacturer's recommended PSI inside the driver's door frame, not the tire sidewall. While checking tire pressure, also take a close look at tread depth and wear patterns. Uneven wear can reveal hidden problems such as poor wheel alignment, worn suspension components, or improper inflation. A simple trick is the coin test. Insert a coin into the tread grooves. If the tread is too shallow, it's time to replace the tire. Most experts recommend replacing tires when tread depth reaches 2/32 of an inch, but for maximum wet weather safety, consider replacement at 4/32 of an inch. Tip number 7, test your battery condition. Battery problems are one of the leading causes of unexpected breakdowns. Inspect the battery terminals for corrosion, loose connections, or damaged cables. White or blue buildup around the terminals can interfere with electrical performance and make starting difficult. If necessary, clean corrosion using a battery terminal cleaner and tighten loose connections carefully. If your battery is more than 3 years old, consider having it tested periodically, especially before extreme summer or winter temperatures. Test your battery using a $12 digital multimeter. A healthy, fully charged battery should typically read around 12.6 volts or slightly higher when the engine is off. You can also perform a load test, which simulates real engine starting conditions and reveals whether the battery can sustain proper cranking power under stress. Your battery must show 13.7 to 14.4 volts reading on multimeter while running. Replacing a weak battery early is far cheaper than dealing with unexpected roadside failures or damage to charging components. Tip number 6, cold start management. Always pay special attention to how you treat your engine during the first few minutes after startup, because this is when the majority of engine wear occurs. Before starting your vehicle, turn off high electrical loads, such as the air conditioner, heated seats, and rear defroster to reduce stress on the battery and starter motor. Once the engine starts, wait approximately 20 to 30 seconds to allow oil pressure to stabilize and reach critical components like the camshaft, timing chain, and turbocharger bearings. Instead of idling for several minutes, begin driving gently and keep engine speed below 2,500 to 3,000 revolutions per minute until the coolant temperature reaches its normal operating range. Avoid hard acceleration, towing, or rapid throttle inputs during this warm-up period because cold oil is thicker and flows more slowly through narrow passages. Building this simple habit every day can dramatically reduce long-term wear and extend engine life by tens of thousands of miles.
Tip number 5, cooling system inspection. Excessive heat is one of the fastest ways to destroy an engine.
Your cooling system works continuously to maintain the ideal operating temperature, usually between 195 and 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Even a single overheating event can damage head gaskets, warp cylinder heads, and accelerate internal wear. Check your coolant level regularly. Healthy coolant should appear bright and clean according to your manufacturer's specified color, while rusty, cloudy, oily, or contaminated coolant may indicate internal engine problems or deteriorating corrosion inhibitors. For a more accurate assessment, use inexpensive coolant test strips to measure the coolant's condition and verify that the pH remains within the recommended range, typically between 7 and 11. Maintaining the proper pH helps prevent acidic corrosion that can damage aluminum cylinder heads, radiators, water pumps, and heater cores. Also, inspect hoses for swelling, cracks, or soft spots, and check around hose connections and the water pump for dried coolant residue or white deposits that indicate small leaks. Tip number 4, replace your air filter before it becomes restricted. An engine needs 3 things to operate efficiently: fuel, spark, and clean air. A clogged air filter restricts airflow and forces the engine to work harder and reduces fuel efficiency. In severe cases, dirt and debris can bypass a damaged filter and enter the engine, which accelerates internal wear. Most manufacturers recommend inspecting the air filter during every oil change and replacing it if needed. Remove the filter housing cover and hold the air filter toward a bright light source. If very little light passes through the filter material, or if you see excessive dirt, leaves, insects, or debris, it's time for a replacement. Most manufacturers recommend replacement intervals between 15,000 and 30,000 miles, but severe driving conditions often require more frequent inspections. Replacing an air filter takes only a few minutes and can prevent thousands of dollars in long-term engine damage. Tip number 3, use high-quality fuel. Whenever possible, fill up at reputable gas stations that offer top-tier fuel, because these fuels contain enhanced detergent packages that help prevent carbon buildup. Avoid filling your tank while a fuel tanker is actively replenishing the station's underground storage tanks, because this process can stir up sediment that may contaminate the fuel. Try to keep your fuel level above 1/4 of a tank, especially during hot weather, because the fuel inside the tank helps cool the fuel pump. Carbon deposits on fuel injectors and intake valves can reduce performance, increase fuel consumption, and contribute to engine knocking. Direct injection engines are particularly susceptible to deposit formation over time. If your owner's manual recommends fuel system cleaner usage, use a high-quality cleaner at the specified intervals. Clean fuel injectors promote better combustion efficiency and reduce stress on internal engine components. Consistently using quality fuel is a simple but effective strategy for maximizing engine longevity. Tip number 2, pay attention to early warning signs. Get into the habit of performing a quick walk-around inspection every week and pay close attention to anything unusual while driving. Listen for new sounds such as knocking, ticking, squealing, or hissing noises. Check the ground where you park for signs of oil, coolant, or other fluid leaks. Monitor your dashboard for warning lights and watch for changes in engine temperature, fuel economy, or performance. If the check engine light appears, don't ignore it for weeks or months, because minor issues can quickly become major repairs. According to repair industry data, early diagnosis often reduces repair costs significantly because small problems are easier and less expensive to fix. For example, ignoring a small coolant leak could eventually lead to overheating and catastrophic engine damage.
Tip number 1, reduce short trips whenever possible.
If you only drive a few miles at a time, your engine may never reach its ideal operating temperature. Short trips increase engine wear because the oil remains cooler for longer periods. That allows moisture and unburned fuel to accumulate inside the engine. Over time, this contamination can contribute to sludge formation and reduced lubrication performance. Cold starts are also responsible for a significant amount of engine wear because internal components haven't reached their optimal operating clearances. If possible, combine multiple errands into one trip to reduce the number of cold starts. Aim to take your vehicle on a highway drive for at least 20 to 30 minutes occasionally to allow the engine to reach full operating temperature. This simple habit helps burn off moisture, improves lubrication performance, and promotes overall engine health. Your engine was designed to operate at full temperature, not just for quick trips around town. That's all for this video. Making your engine last longer isn't about luck, it's about building smart habits. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with a friend who wants to avoid costly repairs. I will see you in the next video.